Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Methi Malai is one dish which is enjoyed by everybody. But today let's make the same recipe using the chicken. Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. I have a kilo of chicken over here, which I'm going to marinate with 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and 3/4 cup of yogurt and some salt. And let's keep this aside. Here I have a bunch of fenugreek leaves or methi leaves which I have finely chopped, and I had applied salt to it, about a teaspoon of salt, and then once it's sweated I squeezed all the water out and I washed it and kept it aside. This I have done because I wanted to get rid of too much of the bitterness that the methi would give to the dish otherwise. I'm going to heat a pan and I'm going to add some oil to this, 2 tablespoons. And once the oil is really hot, I'm going to fry this methi nice and crisp in that. The oil is nice and hot. Let's add the methi. This process has taken us 4 to 5 minutes and the methi is nice and crisp. Let's keep it aside and let's make the gravy. And once the kadai is hot, I'm going to add a tablespoon of ghee and a tablespoon of oil. The oil is nice and hot. Let's add the onions and saute it pink and soft. The onions have become soft and pink. I have a paste over here made with 1/4 cup of cashew nuts, 5 to 6 green chilies. The green chilies you can take as much as you like according to your liking for spice. 2 pods of garlic and 1/2 inch of ginger. I'm going to add this and saute it till the oil separates. As you can see, the oil has separated here. I'm going to add the marinated chicken now. And saute this on a high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. We have sauteed this chicken for 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to add a cup of water and I'm going to add very little salt after this because we've already added some salt. We'd already added some salt in the marination, so I'm not putting too much of salt now. And now I'm going to simply cover this and cook till the chicken is done. Reducing the flame to a medium. It's been almost 10 to 12 minutes we had kept the chicken to cook, and I can see the meat is off the bone and the chicken is almost done. Let's add the fried methi now. Mix this well. Just let's increase the flame a little and boil the curry for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to reduce the flame and add 1/2 cup of milk. Stir it again. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of fresh beaten cream. Mix this and just let it cook for a minute, and then we shut the flame, and this Murgh Methi Malai is ready to be served. This Murgh Methi Malai goes amazingly well with a paratha, naan or a roti, served with a nice onion salad. So do try this dish and let me know. For such interesting recipes, keep watching Get Curried.